Hello, today we'll be making a rules GUI for competitions like Wipeout or American Ninja Warrior, whatever you want to use it for. So I have a basic rules GUI here. I'm just going to disable it so it's not in our way. And actually you will want to disable this so that it's not in the way when people spawn. You can use this to turn it off temporarily, but you will want to turn off enabled. So let's go straight to replicated storage, add a remote event, name it whatever, and we will need this remote event for this entire thing to work. So rules activated. We're gonna add to the screen GUI. We'll add a local script. Let's leave that alone for now. We'll come back to it later. So we're gonna insert a part, a click detector, and a script inside that click detector. This part is going to serve as what triggers the rules event to happen. We're going to anchor it just so that it doesn't get pushed off by accident, even though in this world it wouldn't, but it could realistically happen. And yeah, let's get straight to it. Script.parent.mouseclick connect function, no parameter, because the click detector already can only be activated by players. Game.replicated storage.rules activated. Fire all clients. This will fire the event on all players. And we should also add a variable so it cannot be spammed. So local can be activated equals true. And we're going to copy this right here so we can just paste it right here. We're going to paste it actually before we activate this event so that it's even harder to click it twice. And yeah, it'll turn it false. Then wait however long you plan on making the rules. Like I'll just say 3 seconds, then make it true again. Now we're going to go into the part that makes the GUI actually pop up when we click it. Game.replicated storage.rules activated on client event connects when that event is activated by for the client function. And yeah, so script.parent.enabled equals true. You can always animate it with tweening, and that's something you should try and learn about because animating GUIs makes it a lot more appealing to the eye. Yeah, and then we'll just do those 3 seconds, wait 3, script.parent.enabled equals false. This is just a simple rule script. It can always be changed to however you like it, but this should work. Just a little studio lag, but this should work. As you can see, it just pops up when I click it, and it comes off, and I can't spam it. You can hear that I'm clicking really fast. Okay, I can spam it, so that's definitely a problem. So, oh, I forgot to make sure that it checks if can be activated equals true. Then I'll put an end here, format the document so it looks better. So there we go. I'm going to put then, and it should work this time. And we shouldn't be able to spam it, and that should be the end of this tutorial. Yep, I cannot spam it. It's not gonna do what it did there, where it will turn on and off it's waiting those seconds out before I can click it again. And if your thing doesn't work, don't forget to put prints, like print clicked. But I would put it inside here, considering we gotta check if it's cooldown. But this just helps for figuring out where something's going wrong, like hi. And you can tell it will only print it as many times as it's being activated. See, it only shows hi once until the variable is turned to true again. So anyway, that's going to be about it. If you ever want to make it, just do this for more GUIs, you can just have this with, you can have the GUI with a weight and just have copied it to something else, like weight 3, that I had a different version of this. Let's just take away the weight on this, and yeah, it would do these in the order that they are, though you would have to adjust the weight on the click detector. Looks like it's just 6 seconds of it, but it's because it's the same thing. But anyways, that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.